This video, I'm going to teach you how to A and B test your marketing email in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to your marketing email by clicking onto the marketing and choosing the email option right there. From this case, click onto this create email and choose right here the option for the option that you want. Let's head over and choose right here regular. Choose right here the template that you want. I'll choose right here this one. Once you have it ready, it will open it directly onto the email editor. Once you're on the email editor, you can find the option for A and B test. So click on this. Choose right here the version names as well as how many recipients should receive the A and B test. You can see right here the option and you can choose right here the winning metric, the test length, and the fallback version. So just edit the email and then choose right here the actual options for that and the settings. And once you're done, you should be able to actually send the email directly. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.